Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Because I love to do my hair, I love to share my tips and what I'm doing around my hair world. I'm just coming on here to share even some of the things that I have been doing with you over and over again. Maybe this is coming from a different angle, but I just wanted to come on here to just chit chat with you all and to just kind of talk, and maybe this might ease somebody's mind and just distract you from what you have been doing to keep yourself busy or occupied during this. So I ran out of almost all of my hair products. I don't know, it's like they were finishing one container to another. I had to hit the bottles and hit and hit and hit, and now it came to wash day. I had to wash my hair, and I almost didn't find anything. My hair has been in this twist for maybe over 2 weeks now, and I think the twists are almost like matting up, but we are going to take care of it. Because while I was doing my grocery shopping, I came across these products, a shampoo and a conditioner. It's Hello Nature, and I want to give them a try to see how my hair will react with it. So this product is a coconut oil based product, and it claims to be 97% ingredients of natural origin for the shampoo and 96 for the conditioner. Also, these products contain other ingredients, like with some other alcohols, I think with a lot of other ingredients, which make up the about 3 to 4% non-natural origin. But I think that's okay. I mean, it was not very pricey, so I just want to give it a try, especially now that I ran out of all my hair products. So let's see how this works for me. But before I get to using the products, I will go ahead and pre-poo my hair, because that's what I always do. Before I wash my hair, I usually like to pre-poo my hair, except if I want to do some kind of a cold wash just to refresh my hair. But right now my hair is dirty and it really needs a proper wash. So while preparing my hair for the wash, I just decided to come on here to kind of talk with you all, to kind of chit chat with you and to distract you from all your activities and whatever you are doing during this period. So that being said, I'm looking right here because I have a mirror. I'm actually filming from my phone, and this is what we have. Actually, I think it really doesn't look dirty, but my scalp is very dirty. It's itchy, and as I'm actually scrubbing, I don't know if it's visible. Yeah, that there. It's very itchy. So let's get to this pre-pooing. But I think what I will do is I will just unravel each individual twist, spritz some water, and then apply my coconut oil. And that is what I have right now at home, and I'm going to use it. Plus, I have no problems with coconut oil. Usually when I do this, I tie up my hair and then wash off everything. So let's get into that. Okay, wait, I could start from here.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야.
What happens when you leave your hair in twist for so long without because I actually wasn't at the start of it. I was kind of taking care of the twist, and then I just got tired of it and really didn't do anything.
무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 물론 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going 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 crazy I'm going 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 crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going 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 crazy yeah I'm going 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 crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런
I usually like to go in with a lot of oils into my hair. I just feel like sometimes I also like massaging my scalp with it because it helps to kind of with the help of heat to wake up the dirt and then facilitate in the shampoo process.
I'm going, going, going crazy. I'm going, going, going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going, going, going crazy. Yeah. I'm going, going, going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면. I'm going, going, going crazy. 내 맘을 받아준 오늘 완벽해진 하루.
So all done, and if you've been following me for some time now, you will know that pre-poos are a big deal to me, and I will just go ahead and apply a plastic bag to my hair, then I allow it to sit for some time, then I will head over to the shower to rinse off and shampoo my hair. I really enjoyed this shampoo process. It totally felt like a treat to my hair and I was just enjoying myself. Then I will go ahead and do my usual conditioning and detangling of my hair. So after the pre-poo, I went ahead to wash and condition my hair with the Hello Nature products, and here I am with freshly washed hair. I just tied my hair with this t-shirt so that it can suck most of the water, and it's been about a couple of hours, like 2-3 hours since I washed my hair. So hopefully my hair is partially dry, but I mean not 100% dry. And here we are with freshly washed hair. So what I will be doing right now will just be to apply some leave-in conditioner to my hair and seal it with an oil, and just to kind of moisturize my hair and get it out of the way. And I will be styling my hair with styling products later on, but I just want to do something. Let's talk a little bit about the products. First, the shampoo. I really like how the shampoo left my hair. It really cleans my hair properly, but again still leaving it feeling moisturized, and that is what I'm looking for in shampoo. So that is a shampoo that I could reach out for some other time. And then over to the conditioner. It was an okay conditioner. It didn't have like an excessive slip. It was okay for me to detangle my hair, like I'm really gentle with it, but it didn't really have that great slip that you might be expecting in some conditioners. But however, it was an okay conditioner, and combining the two products together, it really left my hair feeling soft and moisturized. And I don't regret buying it. I would use them out all completely, and I could get the shampoo if I want. Unlike some other products that maybe when I use the first time and I don't like how they feel, I might not end up finishing it. So I'm going to finish them up. So let me take down this first piece which you hear. Now this is what we're talking about. So this is my hair freshly washed with no products in it, and it feels very moisturized. So the combo of these two products together work really well, and I will just go ahead and put in some leave-in conditioner and seal my hair. I always like having an old t-shirt on the side whenever I'm doing my hair, so that I can clean my hands and take off any shed hair. And for a leave-in, because I'm almost out of all my hair products, so I'll be using up this remaining curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture. So that is what I'll be using as my leave-in, and then I will just seal it in with an oil. It's a relatively big section, but I don't mind. I just want to put some leave-in in my hair.
흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐